Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how to make yummy chicken lollipops. If you spend your little bit of time and have little bit of patience, then you can make these delicious chicken lollipops just like the restaurant style. Welcome to our channel.
Paradise on my plate.
First we need to trim some chicken wings. I have peeled off the skin and now I am scraping all the flesh to one end of the bone. Once you scrape off the meat, just move all the flesh into the one end. Once you've done the same to all the chicken wings, now they are ready to get marinated. First I take 2 spoons of pepper powder, chili powder, salt, garlic paste, ginger paste and mix everything. Once you thoroughly mix all the spices, throw in all the chicken wings and massage all the spices into the chicken wings. Marinate chicken for at least half an hour. I have done mine for 2 hours. Now we have come to the most annoying part of the process, which is deep frying. Now deep fry all the chicken wings in medium heat. Let the chicken get cooked completely. We don't want uncooked or a rubbery chicken, which can ruin the whole recipe. I have taken out all the chicken wings. Now let's move on to the frying process. Now take a pan and you can add some butter or ghee or oil, whatever you like. Now I'm adding some finely chopped ginger and frying them. I'm also adding finely chopped onions. At this point I add a little bit of salt to it so that onions get cooked very fast. I'm adding finely chopped chilies. I am also adding some hot chili sauce. I'm using peri peri. If you have Szechuan sauce, you can use it, or any other brand is fine. I'm adding half cup of water just to get the saucy consistency. I'm also adding a small spoon of sugar, which is optional. Now I'm adding all the fried chicken wings into it and fry them for like 5 to 10 minutes. Fry them until all the water is dried up. There you go. Chicken lollipops are ready. I have even wrapped end of the bone with a silver foil, which is just like restaurant style. Not only the appearance but also the taste.